Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to know who shared my post on Facebook. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Here you can see that this is a post which has been shared by a lot of people. If we click on its shares, then it will not open. Now you guys have to go inside Google Chrome and log into your Facebook ID and open it. After that, you have to click on the profile icon on the top left. Now scroll down here and select the post whose shares you want to see. Now after that, you have to click on your Simply Shares. So here you can see how many people have shared this post. You can also see their profile. In this way, you can see how many people have shared your Facebook post, and you can also check their profiles. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the last video.